All right, so congratulations, course complete. What is next for you? So let's just go through this presentation. This is the last one in this, this initial course. So what we'll cover today, it will just quick congratulations and cover what you've accomplished. We look at the skills that you've unlocked, what you can do now, ready to level up with WP Odyssey Pro if that's for you, and then free resources and community. Thank you and next step. So let's just run through this. So congratulations, and this is what you've accomplished. So you've built a complete WordPress website, right? From zero to live website, domain, hosting, installation, customization, and launch. That's a massive achievement, okay? And there's a lot that you've taken in there and hopefully put into action, okay? If you're watching this and you haven't quite done all the steps, then just go back. The course is there. It's not going anywhere. You can just run through it at your own speed and get the website that you need up and running, okay? I know what it's like. Sometimes you want to just see where it goes before you actually take action, but hopefully you've taken action and you've put all of this in place. So Quest Zero, the foundations. You learn what WP Odyssey is, how to use the platform, set goals and mindset, and understand community guidelines. If you are watching this on YouTube, then some of the foundation have been taken out because I didn't want to do a school tour on YouTube. I wanted you to get stuck straight into, learning WordPress. So some of this might not make sense. Quest 1 with the foundation, so you learned what WordPress is, you chose a domain and hosting, and you set up cPanel, installed WordPress manually, toured the dashboard, and you understood what pages and posts are and the differences. And then in Quest 2 is one we're in now, your first site. So basically you installed Astra theme, imported a starter template, customized branding, edited pages with Gutenberg, created menus, added contact forms, and launched your site, plus a lot more of information that I've given you, including, more complex things like page speed, SMTP, all the different things that we talked about. So most people never get this far. You didn't just watch tutorials and do nothing. You actually built something real. You should be proud, and you should be, because if I'd have built a website like that as my first website, I'd have been really proud, because now you can show anybody, all your friends, your family, your boss, whatever it is, look, I've created this website, and they're going to be impressed. You've built something that other people do as a career, right? Yes, they're going to get better as you build more, but hopefully you're really happy with what you've built and, impressed. So this is just the beginning. So what you've learned is the foundations. Now the real growth begins. So these are the skills that you've unlocked. WordPress Fundamentals. You understand how WordPress works, files, database, themes, plugins, content structure. This knowledge is permanent. And don't worry if you've forgotten or things didn't sink in. Just go back through it again until the things have really sunk in. Technical confidence, so like domain registration, DNS, name servers as well, like hosting management, cPanel, FTP, databases. You should not be intimidated now by the technical side anymore. Look, we've covered, obviously depending on what your level of technical skill is, but we've covered quite a lot there really. When I look back at what we've done, you've covered some really complex stuff, all right? So well done. Content creation, so pages versus posts, Gutenberg blocks, image optimization, alt text, responsive design, navigation menus. You can build content-rich sites, okay? You know exactly what to do. You just need to spend the time doing it. And then design basics, so theme customizations, branding, logo, colors, fonts, starter templates, layout principles. Your site will look professional, but it does look professional. And problem-solving ability. So you've troubleshooted issues, searched for solutions, and figured things out. This skill compounds over time. Yeah, it's like saving account. Every time you have run into an issue and you've got to do some research, it's like putting money in a pot that you're just saving up. And eventually you've got this big pot of knowledge that you can call on at any time. And launch workflow. So pre-launch checklists, tests, procedures, backup strategies. You know how to properly launch a site. So what you can do now. So build sites for businesses, create professional websites for your own business, portfolio, or personal brand. You have the skills. And I recommend that you go out there and build as many sites as you can with the skills that you've got, because that practice is going to build and compound over time. You can build sites for clients. So take on basic service website projects, so plumbers, consultants, small businesses, and you can charge anything from $500 to $2,000 per site, building websites the way that I've just shown you, okay? So you can go out and build 10 websites like this, okay? Start small, increase your price every time you build a new website. And as you get busier and busier, if you run out of time, then that's the time that you increase your charge per website, okay? You only need a handful of websites to be building this as a business, okay? Because word of mouth will get out there. People will pass your name on. Just, be honest, be friendly, and be trustworthy. That's what I'd ask for. And be on time, punctual, okay? Give them what you said that you're going to give them. And you can confidently navigate WordPress. So you're no longer a beginner. You can explore plugins, themes, and features without fear of breaking things. And literally, we've covered very few plugins in this course because it wasn't about plugins. We'll do that in the future courses. But your learning will come now by installing plugins and checking them out. It's a bit like when you learn to drive. You learn to drive. The day you pass your test, you cannot drive, okay? You're not a good driver. You learn the day you drive that car for the first time and you're on the road on your own. That's where the learning happens. And the same thing now. I've given you the keys. You go off and you do what you want with WordPress. So continue learning with solid foundations. So, every advanced WordPress skill builds on what you've learned. You're ready for more complex topics. And help others. Answer questions in the community. Your knowledge helps beginners behind you, and teaching solidifies your own understanding. And I can say that myself, going through this course and setting it out has really solidified everything that I've learned over the last 10, 15 years. And it's refreshed it and it keeps it at top of mind. And look, don't underestimate this. You are a WordPress builder, okay? Not just someone who knows WordPress, someone who can actually build and launch sites. That's the difference, okay? You're now one of us. You're a developer. You can build WordPress websites. So, ready to level up? WP Odyssey Pro. And this is not like a big sales pitch. I just want you to know what is available and what your options are if you want to take this further. So, what's included in the Pro community? So, first of all, we've got Quest 3, where you build better websites. And this includes mastering Elementor, advanced design, client delivery. Then you got Quest 4, which is establish your business, like pricing, finding clients, proposals, sales, everything that's needed to turn this skill into a business, okay? Now, that's what's included for the standard plan, which is $19 a month. $19 a month, you get the course that you've got here, so you've still got access to it. You get the 2 extra quests, which are build better websites and establish your business. You also get free hosting, and you get a monthly huddle call that we host over in that community. So yeah, really good value for money, and only if the budget suits it for you. Then we also got the premium plan, which includes quests 5 to 12. So this is like the core of the WP Odyssey Master Quest, where we cover things like security, speed, maintenance, SEO, e-commerce, advanced development skills, so you can build your own themes. It's a massive course, and you get all of that for $59 a month. And you also, included in that, you get more tools like Go High Level, things that we use to promote our business and manage our business. There's 2 weekly live calls. So there's things like a weekly work together session and a weekly Q&A session, which covers topics like this. They last a bit longer. So that's all available to you, okay? And there's also, not to stress you out, but we also include, for the people that are interested in it, we have a VIP plan, and that VIP plan, has direct access to me. It's $199 a month, but we're starting it off on a promotional offer at $99 a month. It's going to be capped because obviously, I've only got a limited amount of time, and in that you'll get additional calls, one-on-one calls with me every month. I can come into your business and see what we can do this week to improve things, or this month to improve things. And yeah, just work with me a bit closer. And that's something if you want. So Pro tools and resources. So free managed hosting for your client site. So WPMU Dev Hub, you get access to. So that's a premium plugin. Go high level tools for client management, weekly live Q&A calls, workshops. And I said you get the free hosting as well. And it's a private community. So smaller, more focused community of serious WordPress professionals. Direct access to me and direct access to me and experienced members. So in the community, there are other developers. They run agencies. One thing I love about it is that you've got SEO SEO guys in there. you've got, virtual assistants in there, designers in there, and we all help each other with different aspects of, the elements that we're going to need doing this as our career. So from builder to business owner, so Pro teaches you not just how to build sites, but how to build and sustain WordPress businesses, earning, 3,000 to 10K, even more, okay? But don't let it fool you that it's only for business owners. If you're building a website for yourself and you want to know how to do all of these additional, topics like SEO, security, speed, we cover all of that. So it doesn't mean you have to be a business owner to do it. You just need to want to master WordPress. That's what we'll cover in there. And then, so if you want to join WP Odyssey, I'll put a link to it below. There's no stress. It's not a big upsell, but the option is there for those that have got the budget and that are interested in going further with it, okay? There may or may not be a 7-day free trial at the time of watching this video. It's something that I'm playing around with. So if it's there, take advantage of it. If it's not, then you can join for the $19 a month. Cancel anytime. It's month by month. And if you do join, there is a 40% affiliate scheme there. So you can, refer anybody, and anybody that you do refer, you'll earn 40% of whatever they spend. Okay. So if you're paying, $59 a month and you refer 2 people, then, you nearly got your fee covered. 3 people, you'll have your fee covered, you get it for free, and then you'll get paid a commission as well. So so that's what's available if you want it. No hard upsell. It's just for those that want it. So free resources and community. So if you're on YouTube, then, join the free school community. There's resources in there. There's live calls that you can join. The link is below. You probably haven't had the full experience by watching it on YouTube, but if you have, thank you for watching it. I appreciate it. But feel free to jump over to the live community, the free community if you want, because there will be more resources and stuff in there for you. And look, stay connected. So follow WP Odyssey on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube for WordPress tips, tutorials and updates. Daily content to keep you learning. The main thing is I'll be doing a weekly newsletter with things that are current and tips that you may not know about. And follow me on TikTok, follow me on YouTube if you're not already, because I'll be dropping regular videos. And I'm just here to help as many people master WordPress as possible. And access past lessons. So Quest 0, 1 and 2 lessons remain available in the free community and on YouTube. So you can rewatch them anytime you need a refresher, which you probably will at some point. And community support. So ask questions, share wins, get feedback on your site. We're here to help you succeed. Everyone is trying to help everyone, improve. And upcoming free content. So we'll continue adding free lessons and resources. The free community isn't abandoned. It's an ongoing resource. I'm going to be in here all year and ongoing, helping people that need it. And, as you know now, my motto is to launch, make things better. Like even this video and the last few videos, I know I've botched them. I'm going to make them better over time. I'm not going to change the content. I'm just going to slowly behind the scenes release, and update the video because, I want to just make sure it's perfect, but it's not preventing me from going live. I want this out there helping people. I can improve it in the background. Okay. And the same thing will apply. I'll be adding new lessons, things that are relevant to the level of, students in this community. And just keep enjoying it and hopefully giving me feedback. So thank you. And next steps. So honestly, I mean this. Thank you for trusting me. If you're still here now and you've watched all of this, honestly, I cannot believe it. Thank you very much. Okay, you chose WP Odyssey to learn WordPress, and I'm genuinely grateful. Seeing you build and launch sites makes it all worthwhile. If I don't see anyone posting websites in the community, then it just means that this course is rubbish and I need to go back and make it better. That's fine. That's what I'll have to do. But look, honestly, thank you very much for watching the videos. And look, leave a review. If this course has helped you in any way, please leave a review or testimonial. It helps others discover WP Odyssey and decide if it's right for them. Tell people about it. I'll put a link below to Trustpilot where you can go in and just, leave a review and let people know, what you thought of it. Hopefully you're kind. Remember, it was free. You didn't pay for it. So just leave reviews because hopefully it'll help spread the word. And share and earn. So WP Odyssey has a 40% recurring affiliate program. So share your unique link. refer 3 people, your pro membership is free forever. So again, if you're in the paid community, you can do that. But even in the free community, it might be by the time people watch this that we've added some paid add-ons inside the free community. And if that is the case, we will have launched the affiliate program in the free community as well. And if that is the case, then anyone you refer in here that buys something, you will get 40% commission. Okay, so, you know, I'm giving something back to you guys as well. So your next step, keep building, take on your first paid client, join the pro when you're ready to level up, and stay active in the community. Look, like I said, with the car keys thing, you know, you learn to drive, you're on your own now, you're out there to go and learn and master WordPress at your own speed. And I'm here if you need me, okay? Whether that's answering questions in the free community or giving you more support in the paid community. So you're not done learning. WordPress evolves consistently. Keep practicing, keep building, keep learning. Mastery comes from repetition. And the quote that I love the most is, WordPress is a journey, not a destination, okay? Even I have not got to the destination of mastering WordPress. There's always new things coming out, new versions of WordPress, new plugins that you need to learn. It is just constantly evolving. So see you in the community, whether you stay in the free group or you upgrade to the pro. I'll be around. Look, keep showing up, keep building. And yeah, honestly, you know, go and build something amazing. I want to see what you come up with based on what I've taught you. So yeah, quick summary. Congratulations. You now completed the course. I've covered what you've accomplished. We've talked about the skills you've unlocked, what you can do now, ready to level up with WP Odyssey Pro if that's for you. If it's not, that's cool. Keep enjoying the free resources in the community, and thank you. And now you know what the next steps are. But look, that's it. Thank you very much. Hopefully we'll see you on the live calls, see you around the community. And if it's right for you, we'll see you in the paid community. All the best. Speak to you soon. Bye.